Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys, this is Cheryl. Happy Monday. Last week was Thanksgiving. I hope everyone in the U.S. had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Appreciate you getting on my video. Thanks so much. And so I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, but Thanksgiving isn't over, right? No, right? No. We want to be thankful every day, whether it's Thanksgiving or not, because that is so positive and powerful in our daily life to start out with being thankful. As good as you feel on Thanksgiving, as wonderful as it feels to be with family, don't let it go. Practice Thanksgiving every day. It's so important when you wake up, every day with a grateful heart. It's such an incredible impact in your life. So I just wanted to get on and give you a story and tell you what's happened in mine and what things I have learned. Like yesterday's gone, so let's start this new week with new goals, fresh new goals, new week. We have this new week, and it's, forget about last week, but let's enjoy the new week with new goals, of course, and new plans and all those incredible things that can make your week outstanding, truly outstanding to do that, and you don't want to not have a plan, because if you don't have a plan, what's that mean? What kind of week is that going to be? You want a week that is full of creativity. Go for what you're looking for. Make a plan. I know people, sometimes they make these projects. They're going to do this thing, all right? Whatever project it is. In my house back in the day, my dad did this huge rock wall in my living room and our living room and blocked the one door that went from the living room into the kitchen. And the fireplace, that was what it was, a fireplace. And I'm telling you what, if he didn't work on it regularly, consistently, it would never get done. And then we wouldn't enjoy that incredible room that was completed. We loved it so much. So if you're not consistent, if you don't work an hour a day on your plan and to reach your goals and to make things happen, to enjoy, for things to get better, to have a new life. I'm an entrepreneur, so for me, it's my business, and this consistency is the rule no matter what you do, really is. No matter what you're doing, it's so important to be consistent and to believe in what you're doing and to work your plan. So this is a new week, guys. Go for it. I've got new goals. I've got a plan, and I'm going to have a wonderful and fun week because of it. So I just encourage each one of you to do that, and I'm going to get into my story and let you know what happened and what that means to me and what happened and why. So I'm going to tell you that in May of 2020, this was what my bank account looked like. A big zero. A big zero. That's where I was in May of 2020. So yeah, I would, lay in bed and cry and depress and complain and carry on and just be so bummed, right? And guess what? If I had done that, my bank account would still be zero. You don't do that. That doesn't help, doesn't get you anywhere, doesn't get you out of where you're at. Never complaining and being depressed and all of those things are negative and they do not help. That's why it's so important to be grateful every day. So important to carry on with new heights, new hopes, new dreams the next week. Let the last week go. Start a new week, a new day, whatever it takes, but do not stay in that mode of negativity and because your bank is at zero and you got nothing, right? Don't do that. Don't do it, because I'll tell you what, as you saw on my thumbnail, on my video, that I went from zero, totally zero, to $7,200 now. Since then, 6 months. I mean, it's an incredible new world now. I went out Mexican dinner today with my husband, took him out on a date, because I got money now. I'm making money. I've got regular income, consistent income. So if you work consistently and you have a great plan, which I do, then I have consistent income. It's that simple. Yet if you don't do it, nothing's going to happen. If you're going to complain and sit down and say, oh, woe is me, you're never going to get anywhere. And that's really the purpose of this video. It's more than just new week, new goals. It's your life. It's your family. It's your grandkids. I mean, I got 7 grandkids whom I adore and enjoy being with. But if I was broke at zero, how would that help me with it? How would I get where they're at? How would I do anything? How would I? No, it sucks to be that person. And I was, but I'm not now. And I've got such a blessing. Created this, and you can create a new life. You plan it, you execute your plan, you be consistent. We talked about that. Because if you don't do any project you're going to do, and you're not consistent, you're not going to have any results, 0 results. And you don't want that. You want to have results. And if you know, you're struggling or, you know, you're having a hard time, you're depressed or whatever, don't stop. Get up happy and grateful. Make new plans. Go for what you want. If you want a home-based business, go for it. Don't wait. Don't wish you had have done it years ago. Do it now. Now is really the time. It's really important that you do it. Not procrastinate. Procrastination is terrible. Do it. You know, get on board with a team and a mentor that's going to lead you down a path that's going to bring you a regular, consistent income. I mean, who doesn't want that? And then this year that we've been doing, it's almost over. It's been a tough year for everybody. And 21 is going to be so much there. If you seize it, if you go after it. You know, I was in 2020, still am almost, just a month ago, but I seized it. I went from 0 to, oh my, $7,200 income. How does that change your life? It so does. You know, what would that mean for you? So I encourage you to go after whatever you're going to do or you haven't done or you haven't. You can do anything. Don't let anybody tell you different. You're amazing. You're incredible. And that's the bottom line. You are. And, you know, if you're going to do something, do it. If you want to do a home-based business and have a second income, a first income stream, do it. You know, and enjoy being able to create your own future, because I sure am. I am very thankful and very happy I'm able to do that, and you can do the same thing. So I appreciate very much that you're watching my video today. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure and hit the little bell, subscribe to my channel, and go to my website. Check it out. You've got nothing to lose. Don't procrastinate. Check it out. And thanks. Bye from Alaska.